The new CEH Certified Ethical Hacking course version 10 now added a full chapter about IoT hacking. This course will give you everything you need to score that segment of the exam. Even if you're not taking the exam, this is a great introduction to IoT hacking for anyone. My name is Luciano Ferrari, and I have over 20 years of experience in cybersecurity on both leadership and technical roles at Fortune 500 companies. This course will guide you on your initial journey to do ethical hacking or penetration testing specifically focused on IoT devices. You'll learn about the main concepts, the architecture of IoT systems, how they work, the protocols used, the communication models, the most common vulnerabilities, the attack surface, hacking methodology, and we'll finish with a demonstration. Yeah, we will be hacking a smart bulb. Stay with me and let's begin our journey.